Hi there, my name is Boris and we're in my channel as usual. Today I want to talk with you about AI assistance in our life, and it's a big hype today, it's a really big theme, and it's a curious moment because in one hand we have a really big project, great ideas with AI assistance, AI help, and something else. And also in both moment, we in the our hand have some hype, some scam themes, some fraud teams, and something else with um, criminal ideas and criminal using. But today I want to talking with you about good helpers with AI core functional, and one of this it's chatbot and in Telegram or maybe something else on maybe websites. And today I met with one of them. It's from Skyeng English School, and it's audio bot. It's a helper for improve your speaking, and I tried to use it today. It's a great helper for me, and it's a great tool for me, and I advised to you to use it, to try it, to try something new when you try to improve your English skill like I, and when you're trying to learn English, it's a good help for you without a teacher, without native speakers, without something English and language environment with you. It's a good tool, and it's works how I think with a big language model, and it's audio model, and it's a really great tool. You can talking with him in audio messages, and he answered for you. He asked questions, and you can choose something theme or maybe something role. Maybe it can be interview, maybe it can be something famous actor, and maybe it can be something different themes. And after your talking, after your conversation with this assistant, it's take for you summary about your speaking, about your mistakes, and how it uh, fixed it, and about your often using words, what you say really often, what is words, and how you can replace it. And I think I will try to use this tool every day, and to see how it works in a long distance. And I excited about all of this team, all of this activity with AI assistance, with all of these moments with robots, with auto pilots without drivers, cars without drivers, electricity cars. It's a future, I think. And because I work at Royal product manager and with a product manager mindset. It's a great opportunity. It's a great moment to use your mind with all of this stuff, all of these themes, all of these technologies, and you can use it in your products. You can think about it. You can create something new for people, for your business, for your colleagues, for your friends. And I looking for something ideas with AI, with something new can I bring to this world. uh, but I not find in this moment, but I tried. Thank you for watching. See ya.